This is our model Yayah from our HQ collection. Establish the silhouette with freehand clipper. You will be utilizing all freehand clipper techniques to create this strong square shape with a graduated back. The height in the top rests just in front of the crown and tilts down towards the face. This shape will incorporate a straight razor fade in Zone 1. Prep the skin with American Crew Ultra Glide Shave Oil. This will soften the hair and prepare the skin for a close and comfortable shave. Hold a hot towel to the area that will be shaved. With a brush, mix the American Crew Lather Shave Cream in a bowl and apply to Zone 1. Use the handle of the razor to create the HQ collection horseshoe that sits high in the front and tilts down behind the ears, resting just above the occipital bone. Use light tension to stretch the skin as you shave. Work freehand with the clipper to blend out any lines that may exist from the razor fade. Strengthen the square sides with freehand clipper work. Refine the fade with freehand fanning. Press in a light dosage of American Crew Revitalizing Toner to soothe and refresh after the shave. Apply a moderate dosage of American Crew Prep and Prime Tonic to add light moisture to the shape. Press the product into the surface to refine the silhouette.